up, guys? We are currently working on the flooring and we are cutting pieces to fit in perfectly. It's going pretty good so far. We had a little struggle at the beginning, but check it out.
All fitting together.
It is all coming together slowly but surely. We started off in the bathroom, so we started in the back and worked our way to the front. And we're gonna caulk around everywhere. So we were in the Airstream with the lights on, and all of a sudden we saw like a pink just glare coming through the window. We had to just show you guys. I don't know if you can see how cool it is.
Weird, it's like pink out here. Alright guys, so we are almost done. We just have a few more little pieces to lay, but it's 10 o'clock. And we're driving to Dallas tomorrow, so we don't really have a choice but to finish it tonight.
A hitchhiker.
I would just like to point out that it's currently 10:30 p.m. So we're putting in our very last piece of flooring. We have like a few little pieces we have to fit in some little nooks and crannies, but like major piece, this is our last one. And like we said, we're going to Dallas tomorrow to get our front window replaced, so we want to get all this flooring in before we go, so that way I'm not actually really sure why we want to do this before then, but I think it's more for us than anything. So yeah, here comes the last piece.
Oh yeah, don't forget the mashed potatoes with the gravy. Mm-hmm.
I really want KFC right now.
So we haven't been videoing a ton because honestly we've just been trying to get this done so we can hit the road. We actually booked a campsite. More to be told about that because Steph won't let me say anything yet.
Let's give them a look.
Check it out. We're pumped. I'm exhausted. Steph's exhausted.
So our bed's gonna go up to this point.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So
There it is.
we will see you guys in the morning to take Rocky on the road. Good night.
We're both wearing red again.
Oh, focus up. All right, what is up everyone? I'm not gonna look at you guys because I'm driving in a torrential downpour. Oh, I looked. Just taking it slow. We don't have any weather stripping on the windows either. Yeah. So we have like plastic panels just taped up on him. And we are just cruising along.
You're probably gonna fly off at some point too, hopefully not.
We are just gonna kind of take you on our experience throughout the next couple of days on getting a window fixed. Just kind of getting the inside ready to be built. So hope you guys enjoy and be sure to check our Instagram out. We'll have a ton of stories coming.
You see that light?
That was crazy. Twitter as well, and our blog. So
check it all out.
So yeah, thanks for subscribing and helping us reach the 1,000 mark on YouTube. We will see you guys in a little bit.
Check back here in a little bit, hopefully after we get out of the rain.
Rocky on the road out.
Hashtag Rocky on the road. Put your hands on the wheel. So yeah, so basically we're probably like halfway to Dallas at this point.
Yeah, probably a couple hours.
Yeah, we have like a little less than 3 hours left. And we're about to make a stop to go check on the inside of Rocco back there. So we'll see what the
crossed,
damage
no water
is.
got in.
Hopefully no damage.
Alright, what's up guys? So we just got to the gas station to fill up and we're shocked. Literally the floor didn't move at all. It's still perfectly laid the way we had it. Check it out. Look at that. The panels are there, but that's alright. The only part that did leak was the copper piping right here for the actual fresh water tank. It's still disconnected. So it leaked a little bit, so we're just using some paper towels and wiping it up and we'll be good to go. And luckily we have our floors down and flex sealed and everything, so the water shouldn't affect it. We're about to hit the last 2 hours of this trek to get Rocky fixed. So once the window's on, it's home stretch. It seems like without any water problems right now. I think that, knock on wood, we're doing pretty good. So we'll see you in Dallas.
And then what if you pull that thing? side of the highway. Oh wait. I'm definitely gonna need these. Alright, so here was my first indication that something was weird. I looked here, it looked really dark, and it was wet. So Chad opened this door, and it's soaking wet.
So it's not as bad as we thought. It's still not good. But luckily, I guess there was a little part of the wheel well that we didn't caulk. And so a little water came in, got on the floors, and so now we're gonna just be put paper towels down for now. When we get to the hotel, we're gonna have to sadly rip up our brand new perfectly laid floors and then lay our perfectly nice floors back down.
Yeah.
So at least we are good at it now. And now we will officially see you guys in Dallas. All right, what's up guys? It is 9 o'clock, we are finally in Dallas. We actually lucked out. So we checked our Airstream whenever we got here, checked Rocky out, and there was only a little bit of water where the wheel wells were.
Yeah, we thought it had spread.
We're just drying it out, and then we're just gonna have to caulk it, and we'll be good. Funny story, so we pull up. I'll show you tomorrow when we pull out. There is this baby, literally baby gate to get in, and a truck had parked in the very first spot. But we lined it up perfect, did we not?
It was perfect.
It was perfect.
Everything fit through.
Everything fit through, and then the gate, like, so the gate goes up and down, right? And the gate was like this, instead of like this.
Now the hotel's down on it.
Now the hotel's down in antenna. But we have 2 fans running, so we're gonna chill in the car and watch the NBA playoffs and eat some Rudy's. Our beer's out.
Good night.
Finally done. We're finally at Rocky. The window looks phenomenal. It was quite the experience, but we're gonna head home. We'll see you guys there. I hope everybody's having a great week.
So we pulled over on the side of the road because there's a really good sunset, and excuse this terrible look, but
what's up guys?
Dad is gonna drone this
window. So it was a good trip. It was eventful for sure, but I mean overall we did what we needed to do. We got a window, got butcher block countertop, got a bunch of just accessories and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'm sweating, it's so hot out.
But it was a success. We finally just got home, and now it's time to go home and hang
see
out
AC
with Mills
Cakes
and
and
AC
Mill.
Cakes and just lounge for a little bit because it's already 10:15 and Chad has workouts tomorrow and I have work tomorrow.
Yep. So after our eventful day of getting Rocky fixed, he's finally done. Hope you guys enjoyed our travel extravaganza.
Yep.
Definitely be sure to check out our Instagram, Twitter, and our blog. We have a ton of Insta stories.
I know, lots of Insta stories. So
But anyways, we'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.